Today we're going to be talking about the calibration and the drone and the batteries a little bit and how to turn on the drone. So as you can see, this is the on button right here. Press it, and if this goes colory, it's fine because that's just doing its thing. And to plug it in, like to turn it on, you see this? It's kind of like a fork. Put it in there. See? Then slide it in, and then you turn it on. And now it's flashing. So connect to the drone, and then go into the Tello app. Go into more, and then you click onto the three dots, and you go to IMU status and calibrate, and then you wait for it to load. Make sure you watch our videos of how to remove the prop guards and the propellers for this part, and then you're gonna wait for it to load. And then you flip it on its side when it says it. Make sure the camera's all facing you, but when it says for it to face another direction, you will face it that direction. And you can turn it this way. Sometimes you turn it upside down. The Tello symbol will face the top, and you turn it around, then it will face the bottom. And then it will say IMU calibration complete. Restart the aircraft.
Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time.
Bye.